Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a cute ghost to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this very happy ghost, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and go up with a curve. Nice and high for some happy eyes. And then bring it right back down. Then from there, let's connect these 2 points right here with a curve. There. And so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to go across, say about this much, and do the same thing. Let's go up, nice and high, come down, the same height, and then connect. And I'll just go ahead and quickly shade this all in. And same thing here. There. And then I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. Then let's give this happy ghost a very big smile. So I'll say about right here, right underneath the eye. Just give myself 2 points, here and here. And then I'm just going to connect it so I can see a little bit easier with a big wide curve. Go all the way up. And then we're going to thicken this. So I'm going to come right about here and come down with a deeper curve and go right back up. And then I'll shade this part all in. And I'll just cap it off right here on the ends. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the top, the head part. So I'll just use this as my guide. I'm going to come out, say about right here. Just give myself a point, and same thing over here, about the same amount of space. And I'm just going to be drawing this big curve over, kind of this dome shape. So I'm going to angle a little bit in, and then come up, and say about right here. And then we're going to bring it down back to that point you created. There, it's a nice big curve. And then I'm going to bring this down more, so I'm going to widen it out as I come down. And then let's see here. Before I do any of finish the hands, let's come back right underneath the mouth. And I'm going to start about right here in the center, and I'm just going to draw the stem for our pumpkin, just so we know where to put the hands. So now that I have that stem in, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve right here for the top of our pumpkin. And then we're going to draw another curve coming out, and same thing here. So now I kind of know where I'm going to start my pumpkin, and then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to still widen it out as I go. And so then about, let's see here, let's say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead, say bring this down a little bit more. So about right here, I'm going to come in here and draw some hands, but I'm not going to go too in because I still need to draw the face of the pumpkin. So let's just say about right here, I'm just going to draw a thumb, nice and simple, and then a wider curve for the fingers. And then I can go ahead and pop this out and connect. There. So same thing on the other side. And so I'm just going to drag this point across, just so that I'm approximately the same on the other side. And from there, I'm going to draw the same thing. Just come in, not too far in, little thumb, and then bigger curve for the fingers. And then once again, come out a little bit more for the elbow area, and then just connect everything. There. So now we can make our pumpkin fit into the arms. So I'm just going to bring this out. And say about right here, just bring it down, and same thing here. Then I'm just going to imagine this is coming through, and same thing coming through right here. And let's say I want my pumpkin to be about right here. So I'm in the center area right here. I'm just going to draw another curve just to kind of match that one, and then I can kind of bring this in right about here. So this way you're just giving your pumpkin a little bit more detail, giving it the pumpkin grooves, right? There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can go ahead and finish our ghost. So just imagine this is coming through. It'll come out about right there, and we're just gonna flare it out. Same thing here. Just flare it out a little bit. And say about right there, just come down a tiny bit more. And I'll just drag this across. So approximately the same on the other side. And then I'm just gonna wiggle my way across. And as I do this, I'm going to make the center part the lowest part and then wiggle back up. There. Aww, hopefully you love it so far. And then from there, let's put a cute face on our pumpkin. So this is just meant to inspire you, of course, so you can put whatever face you want on your pumpkin. But since it's a Draw So Cute pumpkin, I'm going to come right here and put in some Draw So Cute eyes, of course. So I'll put in a big circle right here in this space. That's why I didn't want my hands to come in too much so that I would have enough room. So same thing over here. There, so my 2 circles in, and I'll come in here with 2 smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and draw a soft curve. And of course, let's give our pumpkin a very happy smile. So I'm going to say about right here, I'm going to go up nice and high. And then say about right here, I'm just going to come out and draw this cute, silly grin. So I'm just going to thicken it up as if we're carving it out of the pumpkin. And connect. There. There's just so many options, but hopefully you like this smile. And that is pretty much it, except I'm going to add a heart about right here to make this my Draw So Cute ghost holding a pumpkin to celebrate Halloween. I really hope I inspired you with this drawing to draw it for Halloween and that I made it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.